everyone, welcome to Cricket Today TV. I am your host Garima Kotru. So guys, Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders will meet each other in the match number 12 of the Indian Premier League 2020 edition. Rajasthan Royals have won 2 out of 2 matches in the ongoing edition and must be blazing with confidence after scripting the highest run chase in the history of Indian Premier League against Kings 11 Punjab. Meanwhile, Kolkata Knight Riders, who overcame the Sunrisers Hyderabad, will need to continue in the same vein. So what are we waiting for? Let's dwell on the chances of both the teams. Firstly, I am going to start with the Royals. For Royals, one expects the same from the team that beat Kings 11 Punjab. Rajasthan Royals have completely changed their fortunes and look very strong under the captaincy of Steve Smith. Sanju Samson and Steve Smith have been a delight for Rajasthan Royals so far, and that's where KKR will need to find a game plan. While Jofra Archer's application with the bat is a bonus point for Rajasthan Royals, the fireworks coming from the bat of Rahul Tewatia has added a complete new dimension to RR's batting lineup. On the other side, if we talk about Jos Buttler, he was playing his first game of this season and one should not dwell too much into his failure. However, Robin Uthappa needs runs under his belt. The entire bowling unit of Rajasthan Royals will have to chalk out a plan as they were miserable in the last game. From pacers Jofra Archer, Jaydev Unadkat, Tom Curran and Ankit Rajput to spinners Shreyas Gopal and Rahul Tewatia all went for runs. If they continue to leak runs like this, Royals' unbeaten run could soon end. Now let's talk about the Kolkata Knight Riders. KKR got the job done against Sunrisers Hyderabad, and the luxury of having several bowling options helped them to do so. However, they will hope to change the batting order considering Sunil Narayan's poor form. Well, KKR's body language looked sharper against SRH, and the skipper Dinesh Karthik will hope to rally his side and make them go with the similar approach. Though Dinesh Karthik failed in the batting department against SRH, but Owen Morgan and Shubman Gill hit the form at the right time and guided their side to a spectacular win. Pat Cummins, Sunil Narayan and Indian bowlers bowled exceptionally well and managed to contain the rivals on a below par score in the last game. Now let's talk about the ground report. At the Dubai International Stadium, fast bowlers have achieved considerable success over the years as compared to the spinners. Interestingly, any score above 180 runs will be hard to chase on this ground. So far, sixes have been hit every 30 balls on the average in Dubai. The highest chasing score on this ground is 183 runs, while the lowest defending score on this ground is 134 runs. Moving on, now let's discuss the weather condition. The weather conditions in Dubai will remain hot and humid and will test the stamina of the players. There are 0 chances of rain interruption in this game, while the temperature will hover around 39 degrees Celsius. Now let's discuss the T20 domestic records of chasing teams at Dubai International Stadium. Interestingly, the teams that have chased here have won a lot more matches than the teams that have batted first. Moving on swiftly, let's talk about the head-to-head record. In 21 meetings, Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals have won 10 games apiece and one match didn't have a result. Now let's discuss the players to watch out for. Talking about Sanju Samson, he has played 10 matches against Kolkata Knight Riders and scored 355 runs at an average of 39.44 and a strike rate of 170.67. On the other side, Shreyas Gopal has also played 10 matches against Kolkata Knight Riders and picked up 13 wickets at an economy rate of 8.22. Well, Kolkata Knight Riders star batsman Shubman Gill has also played 10 matches against Rajasthan Royals and scored 333 runs at an average of 41.62 and a strike rate of 122.87. In the bowling department of KKR, Sunil Narayan has played 9 matches against Rajasthan Royals and picked up 8 wickets at an economy rate of 7.47. Now let's take a look at the probable 11 of Kolkata Knight Riders. In order to strengthen their batting department, Kolkata Knight Riders have the likes of Sunil Narayan, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik, Andre Russell, and of course not to forget Eoin Morgan. Kolkata Knight Riders have plenty of good options in the bowling department too, with the likes of Pat Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Varun Chakravarti, Kuldeep Yadav, and of course the all-rounder Shivam Mavi. Now let's discuss the probable 11 of Rajasthan Royals. Royals too have a pretty good batting lineup with the likes of Joss Butler, Steve Smith, Sanju Samson, Robin Uthappa, and Ryan Parag. In the bowling lineup, they have Shreyas Gopal, Rahul Tewatia, Tom Curran, Jofra Archer, and not to forget Jaydev Unadkat. Guys, in order to help you with the Dream 11, we have come up with the best possible combined 11. We have opted Sanju Samson to lead the Dream 11 team. The likes of Shubman Gill, Steve Smith, Eoin Morgan, and Nitish Rana make it to the batting lineup, whereas Rahul Tewatia, Andre Russell, Pat Cummins, Jofra Archer, Varun Chakravarti, and Shreyas Gopal booked their spot in the bowling department. Now let's talk about the reasons behind Dream 11 team. We have gone for a powerful batting lineup. Shubman Gill and Steve Smith are the go-to options up front for the Dream 11 fantasy team. In Nitish Rana and Eoin Morgan, you get the two solid performers. And of course, Sanju Samson is the skipper of this side and is the informed batsman. Rahul Tewatia and Andre Russell are the all-rounders. The bowling looks sharp with the international pacers Cummins and Archer. Both of them are capable of hitting big shots, and Shreyas Gopal and Varun Chakravarti are the two spinners in the ranks. Now finally, it's time for the match prediction. Well, Rajasthan Royals have looked in supreme touch and go in as favourites. The live telecast and streaming details of this match are as follows. So guys, that's all for today. It's time for me to say goodbye, but I will see you soon in the next video. In the meantime, what you can do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and you can also like our FB page. Goodbye.